Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a fault code that can be a bit of a head-scratcher. P007B. This code points to a problem with your charge air cooler temperature sensor, specifically a range performance issue. Now, what does that actually mean for your car? And more importantly, how do you fix it? Stick around, because we're going to break it all down, step by step. So, first things first. What is a charge air cooler temperature sensor, or CACT sensor? On turbocharged or supercharged engines, the air gets compressed before it goes into the engine. This compression heats the air up, which isn't great for performance. The charge air cooler, also known as an intercooler, cools this hot, compressed air down. The CACT sensor measures the temperature of the air after it has been cooled. This data is crucial for the engine control module, or ECM, to fine-tune the fuel mixture and ignition timing for optimal power and efficiency. When you see a P007B code, VCM, is telling you that the signal it's receiving from the CACT sensor is not what it expects. It's either out of the normal operating range, or it's behaving erratically. This isn't just about a check engine light. You might also notice some real-world symptoms. Your car might feel sluggish, with a noticeable lack of power, especially when you try to accelerate. G could also see a drop in fuel economy because the engine is running as efficiently as it should. In some cases, the engine might even run rough or hesitate. So, what causes this code to pop up? Well, there are several culprits. The most common one is simply a faulty sensor. Like any electronic component, these sensors can fail over time. Another major cause is a wiring issue. The wires leading to the sensor could be damaged, frayed, or corroded. Think about it. The engine bay is a harsh environment with a lot of heat and vibration. Connectors can also become loose or get filled with dirt and oil, leading to a poor connection. Less common, but still possible, are issues with the charge air cooler itself. If the cooler is clogged with debris, it won't be able to cool the air effectively. This could cause the sensor to read temperatures that are higher than expected, triggering the code. And in rare cases, the problem might lie with the ECM itself. Although you should always rule out everything else before pointing the finger at the engine's brain. Alright, let's get our hands dirty and talk about how to diagnose and fix this. First, a visual inspection is key. Pop the hood and locate the charge air cooler and its temperature sensor. Check the wiring harness for any obvious signs of damage like cuts, burns, or breaks. Look at the connector. Is it secure? Is it clean? Sometimes, just unplugging the connector, cleaning it with some electrical contact cleaner, and plugging it back in can solve the problem. If the wiring looks good, the next step is to test the sensor itself. You'll need a good diagnostic scan tool for this. Go into the live data stream and look at the reading for the CACT sensor. Does the temperature reading make sense? For example, with a cold engine that hasn't been run, the CACT reading should be very close to the ambient air temperature and the intake air temperature. If it's reading something crazy, like -40 degrees or over 200 degrees, you've likely found your problem, a bad sensor. Another way to test it is with a multimeter. You can check for a reference voltage at the connector, which is typically 5 volts. NED. And also check the sensor's internal resistance. You'll need to consult your vehicle's service manual for the correct resistance specifications at different temperatures. If the sensor and wiring check out, take a look at the charge air cooler. Are the fins clean? Is there anything blocking airflow through it? A good cleaning might be all it needs. If you've gone through all these steps and you're still stuck with that P007B code, it might be time to consider a faulty ECM. But again, this is rare. Before you go down that expensive road, it's a good idea to double-check all your previous steps or consult a professional mechanic. So, to recap, the P007B code is a range performance issue with your charge air cooler temperature sensor. It can cause poor performance and bad fuel economy. Start your diagnosis with a visual inspection of the wiring and connector. Use a scan tool to check the live data from the sensor. If needed, test the sensor with a multimeter. Don't forget to inspect the charge air cooler itself for blockages. Replacing a faulty sensor is usually a straightforward and affordable fix that can restore your engine S-power and efficiency. I hope this guide helps you tackle the P007B code with confidence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car repair tips and tricks. Got a question? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.